Guess what time it is? Unboxing. Follow me. Now, this here I've been waiting for a minute. This is from BioDude. And you see here, BioDude stuff. We Guess what time it is? Unboxing. So follow me down here. Now, this here I've been waiting for a minute. This is from the BioDude. As you can see here, all the BioDude stuff. So we are going to see what we got. Oh, been waiting too long for this. It's supposed to come yesterday, but bad weather, so. Oh, here we go, kids. The BioDude. I'll let you know that's from BioDude, isn't it? A guide to the substrate. Bill of order. Oh, it's a magnet. Check that out. A little BioDude magnet with blue tongue skink. That's cool. Add that to my cards. What do we got? Oh, even better. I just don't have this stuff. I don't know how to use this quite yet. I'm like a caveman with a camera. All right. So we got. Oh, check that out. A pod. That is super groovy. Check that out. That is cool. Like a water dish, a food dish. That is super groovy. Oh, I love that. I gotta figure out what spider I'm gonna put that with now. Got some bug grub to go with it. Right on. Some bug grub, a little pod. Ah, here we go. Here are my tanks. These are my tubs. Now, you're probably like, the hell are you putting in this? This is a special thing. There are going to be more invertebrates I'm bringing in. Now, this is going to be tons of them. I don't know how many I'm going to get when I get my package that I'm waiting on. But this is what I'm going to be putting them in when my package comes. So there'll be another unboxing, and then we'll be putting together the BioDude stuff. I'm super stoked. This is awesome. Oh, Jesus. He has just hooked me up. Actually, I think this is what actually comes with it. So this is biodegradables. You got the leaf litter, it looks like. Yep. Put it on top of the substrate. We got 2 packages of leaf litter. What is this? More biodegradable. Oh, this must be the palm. Is this the palm trees? I think so. I think this is the palm bark. Oh, that's super groovy. So you got that. You got 2 biodegradable spog mats. Sphagnum moss. Not smog mass. I don't know what I was even saying there. Right on, right on. Yeah, and so this is what will be going inside the tubs. This here. So I got 2 boxes, or 2 bags. 1 for each box, and then 1 of these for each box as well. And 1 of these for each box, as well as 1 of these for each box. And new spider substrate. So that means more rehousing's coming. We actually do have a rehousing because I have this little beauty here who as you see, definitely needs a rehousing. Let me spin them around here. My Samani. Hoping it's going to be a male, but I'm not too sure. Because I have a secondary Samani over here. That's over this direction. In this tank, which I'm going to actually move this one out of this tank into this size of a tank. Giving it the substrate. But yeah, this will be coming soon. Rehousing of this. He or she looks good. But I need to get him out of this and into some Biodude. That'll be great. Well, there we go, guys. That is my unboxing for today. I got all types of goodies. All types of goodies. The crazy thing is all of this, and this goes into one of these. Right, that's crazy, right? But what it does is he's perfected biodegradables for nature and for your species, that you have your specific species. And he also has care packages for specific species as reptiles as well as arachnids. And you put it all in, you add your water, you put it all into your tub, you add water to this and water to your sphagma, you dump it all in together, you give it a nice mix, you add your leaf litter across the top, and you take your palm bark here, I believe that is palm bark, and just set it in there and let it just degrade, And this is all pretty much like food for what I'm waiting on. And you know who I'm waiting on. But actually, I'm not waiting on you. I'm actually waiting on the weather. So as soon as the weather gets better, hopefully, because it's like ice here. Oh, this is super groovy. I felt like I've been waiting too long for this stuff. Just a little too long. Oh. Nice. All right, folks, there we go. This is my Biodude unboxing. I'm super stoked. This stuff is... I've watched too many of the videos, as well as I've seen Tom Moran's video when he had his... when he did his bio for... I forgot what it was. Well, check out Tom's Big Spiders. He's got it up. I forget what he has, or what he... I feel like it was the Ophilipinus he put in there. But yeah. Nice little tubs. They're not super clear, but that's not the point, actually. But there we go, guys. My Biodude. Roll into a ball. Well, I'm going to have to read these instructions on some of this stuff, which is fine by me. This is going to be good. I'm going to like this. Alright, so now, all you guys, just like I have to, wait for the next unboxing on what's going to go in here. So thanks, guys. Peace. Happy keeping.